What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on CRO because we just break here really important resistance, and if certain conditions that I am currently watching here will be met, I'm expecting here another huge pump. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact area where I am planning to open here a long position, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a weekly time frame. You can see that the current weekly candle broke this really important resistance that we have here between level 0.2012 and 0.1922. You can see that historically this was like an important resistance. Here also, here it was important support, here important resistance as well, and here also this was just an important resistance because those weekly candles closed in this range. Right now, if there will be a support confirmation, which means that this and the next weekly candle will close above this red area, then it will, in my opinion, means that we are gonna hit the next important resistance, which is in this case this bearish order block, which is between level 0.505 and 0.434. So in this case, we can speculate here for a profit around like 111 to like 146.48, maybe 150% over net market. So if right now there will be that pullback with a support confirmation, I want to open here a long position. Entry will be, as I said, somewhere above this red area, and stop loss you can just place under, because if there will be breakdown with that resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets you can then place above this bearish order block, because if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna take the liquidity above, because a lot of people will be placing here a short positions, and after its support confirmation I am simply expecting something like this. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take under this current highs, some of the profits you, for example, want to take under these previous lows around this area and this bearish order block, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end this can give you risk reward ratio from 15.2, like risk reward ratio around 10, 11, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great setup. Maybe you are asking if this will be still a great opportunity if the support confirmation will, for example, happen on a current price, because of course, like there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are gonna retest these lower areas. Well, in my opinion, this will only depend on the risk reward ratio that you want to have here, because if there will be a support confirmation on this current price, your risk reward ratio will then drop to 7, and if you will take multiple take profit targets, your risk reward ratio will be like 4, which is definitely not a bad setup, but it's much worse than the potential long position that we can have here. So you only need to decide if this risk reward ratio is enough for you. But me personally, if I will be opening here like this long-term long position, the lowest potential risk reward ratio that I'm able to accept here is above 10, so 10.00 and above. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Also guys, if you want to help with trading, or if you want to simply follow all of my trading setups, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these trades every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. If you want to take here some long positions on like a lower time frames, then for example on a daily chart, the closest area where we can open a long position is this bullish order block, which is starting on a level 0.151. So there needs to be a drop around like 33% of a net market. So in my opinion, the closest potential long position that we can get here will be valid if there will be a support confirmation of on a weekly time frame of this resistance area. Maybe you are asking if like it's enough to have here a support confirmation on a daily time frame, and in my opinion no, because you can see that, for example, with this previous daily candles we already had here a support confirmation, but this is simply a setup on a weekly time frame, so we need to wait here for this. If we are gonna take a look, for example, on a 4-hour chart, you can see here as well the closest potential support is starting on 0.1587. So again, from a current price, there needs to be a drop around like 30% of a net market to get here into a long position. The closest potential setup that we can get here is on the 1-hour chart, but still you can see this is quite similar as the setup on a weekly time frame, or like as this massive resistance area. So yeah, if there will be a liquidity grab under this bullish order block, so under this previous important lows, and then a support confirmation in this area, you can take here a long position on the 1-hour chart. But in my opinion, like with this setup, stop loss will be, let's say, around 4 to 5% of a net market, and with this setup you can still speculate only to this previous high, which will give you risk reward ratio up to 4.07. So in my opinion, this setup is much worse. So as I said, the main setup that I'm currently watching here is this one on a weekly time frame. This setup can give us potential profit up to 150% of a net market, which is in my opinion really great. And if we will take a look on a monthly time frame, again you can see this area is simply a massive resistance, and once there will be a support confirmation, we will most likely see another move like this. Also, let's now take a look on a total 2 market updates. You can see this is really great for altcoins, because the yesterday's daily candle closed above that level, so above that 1.59, and right now if this candle will close again at least on like 1.6 or above, this is really bullish for altcoins, and I will be thinking about opening another potential long positions. So if you want to be part of my VIP group and you want to know all of the trades that I'm taking, as I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely let me know in the comments what is your exact price prediction for the coin that I was talking about. In my opinion, we are having here really great potential profit. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.